Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com, Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. And guys, these are self-growing planters. I have about 33 of them. And they're growing lots and lots of tomatoes. They're overdue. They need to be picked. Well, they're not really overdue, but one of the reasons why they need to be picked is because, well, it's gotten cold. And when it gets cold, you're going to have a lot of problems. That means your tomatoes are on the cold side and on their way out. They're no longer metabolizing, taking all the energy from the sun and doing all the beautiful things they need to do. So I need to pick these and have them turn red on the inside. Now I estimate in just this one row alone right here, I think about 200 tomatoes that we can pick. And the rest of them, we started these tomatoes on this side first. And then we moved ourselves up into the open field. So that's why these are falling, because they have a lot of tomatoes on them. Whereas those are still hasn't got the proper sunlight to be able to produce those big tomatoes that we're looking for. So there are big tomatoes over there, but just not as many as there are here, because these are, again, more mature plants at this point. All right, so I'm going to go and I'm going to start picking some of these tomatoes and going to get a good feel for what they look like, how they grow. And I'm going to start another different video on this. They're all over the place. You probably can't see them as clear, but you have to look down inside and you'll begin to see that they literally are a little all over the place. Now, what's so bad about it is that these tomatoes have the potential to grow a lot more tomatoes. But they can't, because the season is just so bad. It's gotten so cold so fast that literally, see them falling off the vine? That's how those vines are doing right now. It's gotten so cold so fast. So I've got to come over here and start to pick these tomatoes. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. Man, all over the place. Oh yeah, so I got to pick these tomatoes so I can store them and have them for myself. All right, I'm going to start the process. The next video, we're going through the process. Guys, these are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planters, and guess what? They grow your tomatoes for you, and they grow thousands of tomatoes. Thousands of tomatoes. This old era of digging in the ground and trying to make life a work is ridiculous. It's not working. Get a torpedo pot. Let it grow your food. Now, with these planters, I didn't do anything this year. I didn't do anything at all. All I did was put my seeds in, and I supplement it once a week, and that's it. And I love these cherry tomatoes right here. It's very, very good. I love those. So we expect a lot of these cherry tomatoes. That's why we can do about 1,000 cherry tomatoes per planter. It's because there's so many of them. So many of them. So one planter can do 1,000 cherry tomatoes. And this is only one plant. Look how many tomatoes came off this one plant. Cherry tomatoes. It's amazing. But anyhow, so I got to go in here, take a look around, get all my big boys off of this thing, and get to see what they're doing and how they're growing, and let them know how much they appreciate it. Take everything off of them. I'm going to take the life off. I'm going to cut down the plants. I'm going to lay the plants to the side because I like the organic material on the side of my planter. So, I mean, I love that idea. So, I love organic growth around my planter. But, so I'm going to go and cut these tomatoes off. We're going to start off with the first row first, and then we'll work our way back down to the rest of them. And then we'll see what happens. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention. You need to get a torpedo pot. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.